Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Ashton. I know we haven't made a video in a very long time, but we are back. The Onewheel content is about to be flowing and going. I just went and recently bought myself a GT, and we got some new accessories in, passing down the XR, and sold the Plus. So yeah, we're just on moving through the Onewheel cycle and cycling them on out. If you guys are familiar with flight fins, they make super cool Onewheel accessories. I have had them on my Onewheel XR in the past, and they're pretty gnarly. This is sick. New Onewheel stuff. I love it. What they give us? Oh yeah, a little Kydex fender. If anybody knows about Kydex, my gun boys. Little flight fins. Yup, you know. Good foot hook. What else we got? Oh, just another one? Cool. All right, another great. I think this one's from Onewheel. It got here a day early. Super excited about that. Onewheel's pricing for their shipping, that needs to be talked about just in general. Their cheapest shipping option is literally like $7. No big deal. Bet. Got here a day early. No problem. You want to do 2-day shipping though? 3-day shipping? Oh my gosh, guys, like $100 on some rails. What? You guys don't have an account with UPS? I don't know what that's about, but anyways. Oh, they sent me a charging port. Did I buy this? I don't even remember ordering that. Woohoo, got a little charging port. Let's go. Oh yeah. The good old rail guards. We're gonna go white as usual. That's how I have had my past Onewheels. So yeah, we're basically doing this like my original XR. I'm super stoked. Anyways, I'm gonna quit talking Scout. Quit running, bro. I'm sorry, guys. The dog is just jingle. So jumping on into this install, if we want to do our flight fins first, we are going to have to put the fin actually on the fenders. I went ahead and put the 2 screws in there. As you guys can see at the top, they are going to be the longer ones of the group, so make sure you use the long ones. Go ahead and line that up right there. Take your lock washers, boom, put that on there. I think I got it. Oh man, I think I got it. That should definitely be enough. And then run that one up a little bit. Their little install video made this look easy, but that's why I'm making an install video, because I'm gonna give you the real install, you know? The real complicated install. We got one lock washer on. Pull that guy up. We'll mount it as high up as we can, because I got big feet and I like to wear thick shoes most of the time, so just gonna tighten it up. They did put in big, bold letters on this packaging right here for you guys, just so you can see. Do not over tighten your flight fins. So get them nice and snug, but not snug as a bug in a rug. Okay, I think that is it. Yep, I'm not gonna go any more than that because that one is spinning. I think that is as tight as we need to get it on the top. So now we gotta do the same thing for the bottom. Ugh, not the most fun thing in the world, if I'm being fully truthful. I don't even know if I'm gonna show you guys the second part of this. I might just do one, and then yeah, we'll just jump to the next part, because this is a lot. Sorry, it's kind of hard to show you guys too. It's not the best thing to kind of film. The hardest part is just getting your freaking bolts through the flight fins, because they're that rubber. And yeah, that rubber likes to grip onto the metal bolts. So let's see. I think that is tight enough. It is spinning on the back, so. And it is spinning on the back, so I'm gonna take that as that is good. So yeah, there's one. I've got all the flight fins installed on their fenders respectively. If I look at the instructions right here, which they do give you, which is very nice, it tells me that I should install the splash guard next. So after looking at this, it doesn't really give me any instructions on how to install it, but it does look rather self-explanatory. There's a little channel, little tabs, and I said it looks self-explanatory, but oh wait, did I get it? I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Okay, that was actually a lot easier than I thought. After reading the handy dandy instructions, I realized that I'm an idiot and I just need to go ahead and start popping some stuff off of the GT. So realistically, this isn't too much of a removal. There's just 4 quick screws, 2 at the front, 2 at the rear. And this is just like a little trim piece that goes around your wheel. You would remove this to install a regular like Onewheel first party fender. You would remove this to install a fender delete from like the Float Life people, or I might have goofed that up. That might have been the Craft and Ride people. I'm sorry. I'll get all y'all down sooner than later. Maybe if somebody gives me a sponsorship, then I'll learn your products, if you know what I mean. It fills all the way out. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. There it is. All right. Good deal, good deal. So yeah, as I told you guys, this is literally just a trim plate that goes around your wheel. Keeps all this all nice and pretty. This is literally a brand new Onewheel GT. I literally bought it a couple days ago and I already got it like dirty as get out. All right, so to install the front fender after we've got our flight fin installed and our splash guard installed, all you're simply gonna do is set her on down and boop, boop, line up your holes. It's a little bit of a tricky one. There it is. Once you get it popped down in there, it'll make like a little auditory click whenever it like kind of snaps down into the groove. About there. Just making sure the gap's the same all the way around. Cool. Front done. Side guards. Boom. Go right there. Boom. Here's the other one. Next. So what? Line that up. Line that up. And just drop it, right? We finally got it going. Thanks to some help from Sage. Thank you, my dear. She came in, helped me out, gave me a helpful hand. Can you help me find the other screw that we're missing now? While we're looking for that one, I'm gonna finish screwing in this far side. This was a pain though, I'm not gonna lie, and it very much pushed my patience. Like me not being able to find this last screw is also pushing my patience. The screw was literally in the tread of my tire, so oops, it was not screwed into the tire. Thankfully, we did not spring a leak, so we're good. We're gonna secure this last screw right here. Dude, that looks so good. I actually really like how this looks right now. This looks great, guys. This looks freaking great. Boom, done. I just recommend you take it and then bend it a little bit. Just give her a good bend. We're gonna go ahead and bend it that way. Woo! There we go. That's it. Let's get these rail guards open and let's get on into those. Boom. That Onewheel. I'm not sure if that's hair or what, but there is something on there. Line it up with your charging port. It's honestly your best way to line it up in my personal opinion. Boom, boom, boom. Get that off. Make it look all nice and pretty. Boom. So this guy is just going to pop on right here. Line it up with that hole and just line it up with the other one. Make sure you get it right height and well, bam. That is it for that guy. Flip the Onewheel around real quick and boom. Peel off some more 3M. You can adhere anything, super glue it, whatever you need to do. Freaking rednecks. Looks good. Yeah. Cool. Bam. And final piece of the install, and we will be done. I thought that price tag was going to help me. Alright, final piece of the install and we will be done for the Onewheel add-ons for the day. So, boom, boom, make sure our height lines up. And, oh, I slid it. Yeah, there we go. So if you don't get it exactly where you want, just put in some good pressure and you can slide it up a little bit or down if you need to. Bam! We are pretty much done. So yeah, guys. I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty dang good from what it did not 30, well, an hour ago now because of some technical difficulties. But we figured it out and the board is done. So make sure you hang out another, I don't know, 5 seconds.